Well, what a morning. I thought I was going to have an easy go at things today, except when I woke up. It seems that every year we find one of our furry little friends that are about 3 inches long, and it's called a mouse. And of course, there's the picture of him up in the corner. But I had to clean out this whole corner of the closet, down under all my cosplay costumes. And right down there in the corner, there was a little bit of a hole. You can see right almost dead center screen. I got it all covered over now with latex caulk, and then I'm going to duct tape that over. And filled in some of the cracks, just, from the house settling and all that over the years. So I'm going to fix that all up and, get this mess cleaned back up. Drawn out in the middle of the room, photography stuff everywhere. Tripod wheels, vacuum cleaner. Yeah, it's just a mess. But anyway, we'll get that cleaned up. So that was not my goal for today. So I want to get this crap cleaned up and have a good time tomorrow type of thing. But so you just never know what you're going to be faced with.